Guys, today I'm looking at some new earbuds. They are the Free 2 Classics from Soundpeats. In an absolute sea of new earbuds, what makes these so good? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, in a sea of so many earbuds being released of late, there has to be some differentiators. Or maybe there are just more of us just buying them. I don't know, but either way, I'm taking a look at these Soundpeats Free 2 Classics. And you know what? Spoiler alert, there's a lot to like about them. Now, Soundpeats sent me these in exchange for my honest review, which you know if you follow my channel, you're going to get good, bad, or indifferent. But before we get into it, let's take a look in the box. So, pretty simple packaging. Open up and we've got a USB-C cable for charging and some spare ear tips in different sizes. So all pretty standard stuff. And you've also got the good old user guide and the earbuds and charging case. First thing to note is these are probably the lightest earbuds in a charging case that I have ever picked up. The case is like grainy plastic. You open it up and you've got the two earbuds. Now, taking them out of the case powers them on, and you get spoken instructions telling you that. So that's quite nice. You also have red LEDs on each of the earbuds showing you that they are charging, and white when they're operational. There's also a red LED on the charging case. Now, one important feature to note is these can be used either as stereo earbuds or just single, one in the ear, which I've got to say, when I'm just listening to spoken audio or things like that, or when I'm making phone calls, I tend to do that all the time. I just use one, but I only ever use the pair when I'm listening to music. Now, before we talk about features, let's get these paired up and try them out. So, setup is pretty easy, just as you'd expect. Just go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone, take the buds out of the case, and boom, there you have it. Now, I've got to say, listening to a couple of tracks, and at first you think the sound is going to be quite bright, so kind of like quite trebly. Then the drums kick in, and actually you will see that these are actually really well tuned. Everything sounds crisp, but with that little bit of depth, and I like it. Now, these aren't noise cancelling or anything like that. You know, if you get the right tips on the end so that they fit nicely in your ears, then it's going to make them noise isolating. I also tried a couple of phone calls, and as expected, the calls were clear for both me and the folks on the other end. Now, like all of these types of earbuds, the controls are touch, and most of the time they're pretty responsive. Now, you have a whole library here of taps and holds and whatever. On the right bud, it's a tap once for volume up, tap twice for play, pause, answer and hang up. If you're on a call, that is. Tap 3 times for your Google or Siri assistant, hold for 1.5 seconds for the next track or rejects a call, and 2 seconds for switching between calls. That's a lot, right? And you have the same again on the left bud. Apart from, instead of volume up and next track, you have volume down and previous track. My honest opinion, no one is using those controls. Maybe play and pause and maybe volume. But you know what? I think if it was me, I would use my phone. But if you've got a great memory for all of these taps and holds and what have you, then it's all there for you. So on to some features. These Free 2s are rocking Bluetooth 5.1. They are IPX5 waterproof, which is pretty much heavy rain and sweat. They also have a playback of around 30 hours, which is about 8 hours ago, and then with the charging case, it's all the top up, so about 30 hours total. And the big plus of these is they cost less than £30. Honestly, for the sound quality, you would expect them to cost 3 times more. For me, comparing them with my more expensive Apple AirPods, the sound difference was marginal. And that's pretty damn good considering these are like 1/10 of the price. But now for my dislikes. Well, nothing in the product itself, but the packaging and more so the instructions. Why is all the text so super tiny? Even with glasses on, I couldn't read any of it. And you know what? I had to use these bad boys just to be able to read the text. This is tiny. So come on, Soundpeats. You have a great product here. Sort out your packaging and instructions. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. Another great set of earbuds from Soundpeats. These Free 2 Classics sound great and are an absolute steal at less than £30. I'll leave any product descriptions and discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Soundpeats for sending me these rather decent earbuds to review. And they are. I've got to say, they're a great fit. They don't move in your ears. They really are that good. Guys, I'm Dave for Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.